This is nice. I get to sunbathe on the sand of the beach, and the human gets to do whatever they want, as long as it's legal. But even if they did something illegal, I could probably bust them out without being seen. After all, I could just go under the town, find the dungeons or whatever, and, just use my finger, poke a hole under whichever cell they're holding them. Not that I would ever need to think of a contingency plan in case they are a criminal, but, it's better to be safe than sorry. Oh, crud. Oh no. Oh, we need to get out of here. Where's the human? Human, I'm under the boards. Yes, haha, you're finally looking down at me and I'm looking up at you, haha. Very funny or whatever. We need to go. Remember that family member that I said that I didn't like? He doesn't like me. I just saw him, so we kind of need to go. Okay, come on. Meet me at the edge of town. Alright, hop in my hand. Hi, everyone. It was nice seeing you, but, we're a bit late, so we kinda need to go. Oh, food. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. But yeah, we need to go. See ya, around. Bye. Oh, you could be anywhere. It's like how now I know what the person who makes these ASMRs feels like. He has a deep-rooted fear of water that you can't see the bottom of. Anything could be lurking down there. Just like how he could be lurking anywhere around here. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh. I think we can relax now. Oh, I need a nap. Oh, I don't care if I was just sunbathing, I need a nap. Oh, my heart should never have to go through that much stress. I'm laying down. I'm putting you on the floor. Do whatever you want as long as you don't leave within like a 10 meteor. Yeah, there are 10 meteors around us. No, a 10-meter radius. Okay? I'll wake up if you do. Just don't ask me how. I just will. Alright? Okay.